there, then nobody knows it's when drones are falling down.
Oh, it won't be falling down.
We're all
keep
here
away
to
from
watch
people,
them, though.
No.
Yo, she's going in on that phone call.
I remember when a nigga was a knee-high, youngin', running through the hood like 35314. From numb to the bullshit, the guns rip, bitty, you run, then you clap back. Packs, nigga, move, no school, no rules, but tools like home improvement, proving about that life. Of a thug, nigga, but trust, nigga, your body can't get touched, nigga, so you better think twice. Like, I remember when a nigga was a knee-high, youngin', running through the hood like 35314. From numb to the bullshit, the guns rip, bitty, you run, then you clap back. Surrounded by them niggas who be out here doing D-bags. All about the bras and the bands like the B5. Girl, I gotta get it, so after I hit it, I run into the goals like I'm playing FIFA. Run it up, don't give a fuck about no naysay, they say whatever the fuck they wanna say. In the same breath, play with me and I die 3. And all my G's coming deeper than a Mayday. PA, race, spray, roaches, so know this, I don't want no pilots, probably catch me politicking with an unpopular freak of the week like Parliament. All of them know I am. I am. Little bitch, I am. I told him before, I'm just a man of understanding who can't stand under no man. I am what I am, what I think about expands. Manifesting my future into the palm of my hand. Who am I? I am. Cooler than the old school, bullet in the caddy with the fatty rolled up a return of the Mac. Daddy crisscross, never lost in the sauce, nigga bossed up like I never took a day off. My dick is what you can get, my click ain't stuck, we stick and move, that's all we do. You niggas must be stupid, foolish doofuses if y'all thinking y'all can overrule like I'm through like. Oh shit, goddamn, they done put the mic in the wrong nigga hand. Bitch, I carry life in my motherfucking hand, so when I write these lifelines, I'm probably out of my mind, but don't think about it too much. Young nigga hooded up, no Ku Klux. Clan with me posted up like a food truck. Niggas on the block, oh hustle for the new bucks. Bitch, I gotta get it by any means. Work them out, I'm Xing out. These niggas will be trying to cloud them. On these itty bitty spiders, I'll be trying to doubt them. Then I see them climbing up and I watch.
That's the problem with violence, man. It just makes too much noise and you get fucking paranoid.
Still where to pay it, like bitch, show me the money, show me the money. Show me the money, cause it show me it's where I stay at. And in my bed is where your main hoe lay at. Ain't got no time to be all on my line, so young bitty, crockin' my funny where you big a cake at. I got a lot of shit to do, I gotta bust these moves and these buster niggas gon' hate that, cause I am that nigga. Maneuver through the loo with the motherfucking crew dropping grams and the swisher.
Watching and looking at flying drones is totally different subject. How can you control the drone?